Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys Turkish yogurt soup. For Turkish people like me, yogurt takes a big part in our meals and we hardly skip a meal without yogurt. So after this information, let's start. Let's see our ingredients for this delicious yogurt soup. 800 milliliters of water, 3 tablespoons of rice, 2 cups of yogurt. We always make it homemade yogurt. 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dry mint, and salt. So guys, I would like to share with you some very important step in here. Never put the salt while you are cooking the soup because your yogurt will break down. So we will put it after we finish making our soup. So let's start by putting our rice in a water and get rid of the dirty water. Okay, after we've done that, we get our water into our pot. And we also add in our cleaned rice. And now we just gonna stir it because in the first steps while boiling, it can just stick into the pot. So make sure not to do that. So stir it well for some minutes. And then in another plate, take your yogurt and flour and also the egg yolk, and you just gonna mix it with a whisk until it's nicely smooth. Okay, so guys, as you see here, this is what we wanted. So now I see my rice has cooked already in the boiling water. So guys, now what we're gonna do is with a ladle, get from the boiling water and put it into the mixture that you just created. And after you put it with a wooden spoon, make sure you stir it well because we want our mixture to get used to the hot water. So when you put it back to the pot, it won't be crunchy, like there won't be any pieces in the soup. So this is also a very important technique. Again, with a ladle, you get from the boiling water and put it in the plate, and with a wooden spoon you just stir it well again until it gets used to the hot water, right? Okay guys, as you can see here, it's very silky. And now with a ladle again, you just get from the mixture and put only one part of the mixture into the pot and stir it well. And then you get another ladle again, and you're just gonna put it again back and another one again until it gets used. This way we will have a silky soup. It will be delicious. Okay guys, now when our soup is ready for in about 35 minutes, take your olive oil in a pan and just warm it up. Don't burn it. Also add your dry mint in this stage. Now just stir it well. Our soup is ready and I turned off the stove right at this time. And now it's time to add the salt. Now if I put the salt, our soup won't break down. After you put the salt, just stir it again. Okay guys, so now our soup is ready and now I am putting on the top that oil mixture we just made with the dry mint to give it a beautiful decor. So that's it guys. I hope you tried the recipes and write in the comments below. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in another recipe of mine. Bye!